This is one of the more famous attractions in Quepos, which is the beach walk. It starts at the Quepos sign and goes to the marina in front of me and then to Nahomi Park, which is currently closed. That's the marina in the background. It's just a lovely place to chill because you have a beautiful view, nice music playing, very social atmosphere. Whenever I've been there, the place was full of people. There are many tsunami signs in Quepos everywhere you go. That's the entrance to the marina, like I said. It's over there, so you have to wear a mask, but don't worry, it's completely free to enter. The car park is also free, but that's the sign for it, Quepos Marina. Oh, there's actually no one here. It's the first time there's no one here at this desk. Someone rucksack though, so I bet they'll come back. But yeah, here's the disinfection area. Mainly restaurants and bars. There's Double Hook Sports Bar right there, which is actually the place I recommend. This is the place with margaritas for 1,000 colones. Really cheap and really delicious. Nice homemade margaritas. The best place with the best location, to be honest. Now we are getting onto the main marina. There's another restaurant, Runway Grill. And then here you can come downstairs, and downstairs there are more shops and more restaurants, more options, but mainly I think shops and supermarket. And here's the main port. Straight away you can see that compared to Europe and Mediterranean, sail culture in Costa Rica isn't big. There are not many infrastructures, not many marinas here. Actually, most people anchor if they sail around Costa Rica. Most people tend to anchor here because there are not many marinas, and even if there is a marina like this one, it's not mostly for powerboats, dominated by powerboats. There's only a few yachts that I can see, a massive catamaran for tours with slides also, which I love. It looks insane. I can't even imagine how it would be to live on a catamaran like that. To anyone who don't know, my dream is to live on a catamaran, but I want to slowly progress. So my first goal is to get a small sailboat and then maybe gradually go bigger, and one day I hope to afford a catamaran, but I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But hopefully, if everything goes to plan, I wish I could go down into the jetty, but I can't. I have a massive fish which lights up at night, and actually on this stage a lot of live music is playing. So I've just left the marina and now I'm continuing the walk straight to Nahomi Park. Even though Nahomi Park is closed, like I said, and you would think it's not worth visiting as a result, that's not true, because you can actually snorkel there, you can swim there. Last time I went there, there were a lot of locals and tourists swimming and snorkeling there, and also taking pictures, and kayak. So yeah, you can rent a kayak. Despite the park being closed, you can still rent a kayak right next to the main entrance. So if you like kayaking, snorkeling, or you just want to swim or a nice picturesque place, it's still definitely worth going to Nahomi Park. The way to get there is a little strange because there's no pathwalk, no pavement, but that's actually very common for Costa Rica. Of course here it's fine because you get this bit of grass here to walk on, but most places are not like this, you guys. Most places, in order to get somewhere on foot, you have to go on the road. That's the way to our house, also Pura Vida guest house. There's quite a long segment with no pavement, which is actually very dangerous, and yeah, the fastest way to get to Pura Vida guest house. No pavement or anything. Yesterday we were carrying groceries and walking that way and felt extremely unsafe, especially because it was dark outside already. That's the entrance to the Nahomi Park. As you can see, it's locked, but I can still go this way for nice places to swim and this way for the beautiful views. Let's go this way first. If you're looking for a place to take nice pictures in Quepos, this is the place to come. Let's go down the other way though, because there's a lot more going on. That's the second side. How gorgeous, you guys. This place is beautiful. A few people swimming and snorkeling. I hope you can see Nahomi sign behind me. Fun fact, in some reviews that we read online, they said that you can easily get to the park anyway because you can jump across this gate, which technically is true and would be very easy. However, whenever we've been here, there's security and some guards and a lot of people here making sure nobody gets inside the park. So I presume before maybe there were no guards and people were just jumping across this fence, and now it's not so easy, and a lot of people swimming and having fun over there. And pretty clear also. As you can see, if you like to swim or snorkel, this place is perfect for you. There are also a lot of kids swimming here, so I wouldn't be too concerned about the safety. You have buoys, you have lines here. So those were the main attractions of Quepos. I have to say, I have never seen town this quiet before. Usually there's much more traffic, a lot more people, more restaurants are open. I think it's because it's Sunday, so a lot of the shops and a lot of restaurants were closed, and that's probably why there was less traffic and less people out and about. But for sure it hit me. I've never seen the town so quiet. So if you see these clips, just so you know, Quepos usually is a lot busier, a lot more lively. The town has a lot more traffic going on. But now I'm on the way back to the guest house on this rural country road, because I don't like to go the fastest route because it's at the main road with no pavement like I told you before. So I actually prefer this country road, which is much quieter, longer, but feels safer at least. Doesn't feel like the cars are literally squeezing past you, very close to you. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this Quepos vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this place or Costa Rica, then leave them in the comments. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.